Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan avocado toast. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect ingredients. You'll want a ripe, creamy avocado which feels slightly soft when gently squeezed. For the bread, choose a sturdy, artisanal loaf that can hold up to the toppings. Gather your favorite seasonings like sea salt, black pepper, and a hint of red pepper flakes for a little kick. These foundational choices are key to a delicious experience. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the avocado. Carefully have your ripe avocado and remove the large pit. Scoop the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado to your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, while others prefer a smoother spread. A little squeeze of fresh lime juice here can also help prevent browning and add a bright flavor. Next, it's time to toast your bread. Pop your chosen slices into a toaster or under the broiler until they reach a beautiful golden crispness. This provides a delightful textural contrast. Once toasted, generously spread your mashed avocado evenly across each slice. Now, season it simply with a pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a gentle warmth. Finally, let's elevate your avocado toast with some fantastic toppings. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens all the flavors. Consider adding a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for an extra layer of savory crunch. For a fresh finish, garnish with delicate microgreens, fresh cilantro, or a few vibrant radish slices. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, delicious vegan avocado toast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.